Welcome to ProgrammingKT. I am explaining about how to download and install Git on Windows 11. So, open any one of your favorite browser in step 1. So, in my case, I am trying to open Brave browser. So, once you opened it, just type Git download. So, after that, in step 2, click on Git downloads. I mean Git SCM. This is the official website. So once you open that Git official website, then click on, I mean in step 3, click on Git for Windows. I mean this is the latest version 2.44.0. In step 3, click on downloads and it will redirect to one more page. So select your operating system type, either it may be 32-bit or 64-bit. So anyway, I'm trying to download 64-bit. Anyway, we can download after clicking on here also. So it will download by default 60 to 64-bit. So click on here. So it will ask the location where you want to download. So I'm trying to install, I mean download inside that D drive software folder. So if we can observe here, I mean download status. I think it is already downloaded. Now let me go to that corresponding file location where it is downloaded. So D drive softwares. So I think let me refresh. Yeah, now you are seeing right. I think here it is appearing. I mean Git Bash logo. So once it is downloaded, I think now it is downloaded perfectly. So double click on it. Once the file is downloaded, so it will ask a prompt. I mean on pop up. Allow the. I mean, do you want to allow this app to make changes in your device? Something like that. Click on X. I mean click on yes and continue. So next onwards, it will ask some. I mean just next steps. I mean click on next everything. So leave everything default until unless if we don't know. So I am trying to leave as it is. I mean everything as a default. I mean installation location. So this one also next. This software requires some patience. I mean approximately 10 to 15 steps are required. I mean click on next. So next. So here it is saying choosing the default editor. I mean used by Git. Here it is saying Vim. I am trying to change to Visual Studio Code. Notepad, Visual Studio Code, Sublime, or else we can leave it no problem. Visual Studio Code as a Git default. So if you want you can use Vim as well, but in my case I'm trying to use Visual Studio Code as a Git default editor. When you are trying to get any merge conflicts, you can resolve by using, I mean very easy in Visual Studio Code comparing with Vim. So click on next. If you did not install the Visual Studio Code, just leave it as it is default. Don't try to change anything. Just click on next everything. So override default branch name as new repositories. Here it is saying main, but anyway I'm trying to stick with master only. Click on next, 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 next. I already explained right. The software requires approximately 10 to 15 steps. Make have patience and install it. Enable experimental support and enable experimental. Anyway, I did not select any one of these. Click on install. So it will take time to install. Wait with some patience. So almost done. I think almost done here. I think. So once it is installation is completed, so once you are right click on anywhere in your system, you will find open git bash or GUI somewhere else. Means once you are seeing that one, I mean that option, once you right click on it, then I mean that means git is installed successfully on your machine. So try to, I mean click on finish. Now if I can go to, so it is saying opening notes about, I mean that it will once installation is done, some notes about, I mean Git. It is saying opening here. Now, once it is installed, now if we can click on anywhere, right? Once you make right click, open show more. Now we can see here open Git bash here, open Git GUI. Before installation, I think I didn't show you that option won't be there. These two options, Git bash and Git GUI, or else you can open your command prompt also, command prompt, and check with git version, git hyphen hyphen version. Means it is saying right 2.44.0. This is the current version I already explained right here. 2.44.0 is the current version, so that's what here it is displaying. Means your I mean in your system git is installed successfully. So thanks for watching.